Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. Let's check out this awesome rig. I'm getting ready to go out to the customer this morning. Check it out. 2500 watt Honda generator. Marine battery charger. Charges both batteries at the same times and conditions the batteries. One for lighting, one for soft wash, one for the hot water machine. Got the 40 gallon soap tank, 325 on the buffer tank. Of course, you got your pro portioner. Got our 7 gallon a minute pump on there, 300 foot of hose, chemical wand holder, blah blah blah. And we got 200 foot of high pressure hose, 100 foot of the high grade, high flow garden hose. Got your dump valve, got your bar lights, 20 inch on the back, 16 up on the front. Hot water system, it's a 120 volt hot water burner. Got your little jetter package going on there. You can do remote jetting, say a floor drain or some stacks. Got your foot switch right here. Like I said, there's double batteries there. One to run the lights, one to run the soft wash. What else we got here? Got your high flow king nipple on here. That way we don't starve the pump. It's huge. It's an 1 3/4 tubing on there. Your high flow filter. Everything's locked down correctly, as you can see. Nice and straight, nice and clean. 561-907-9541. When you want it done right the first time, you call Under Pressure Power Wash. We build custom rigs. We actually finance for you, if need be. This is a beautiful rig. Sad to see it go.